Only at this late stage does the knife receive its sharp edge. Specialists call this process honing. The honing is coarse to start with, then followed by a fine honing to give the knife its sharpness. Knives for the Asian kitchen undergo a special kind of honing. They have a much more acute angle than ordinary knives, and the edge also receives an additional polish. These knives glide through foodstuffs especially easily. Zwilling+Henckels constantly monitors quality. A laser meter checks for even the tiniest deviations.